Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Abyss without balance in Crimson Desert. New players are already struggling with this puzzle due to its complexity and somewhat lack of explanation. The first thing you need to do is to stand in this circle for a few seconds. This will activate the so-called Abyss Nexus. Next, align these cubes completely in the small pillars above. Head down and pick up this square piece, then rotate it so it'll fit into the wall. As you can see, there's an apparition in front of it. Observe this by pressing the Control key on your keyboard to learn the Force Palm skill. After that, Force Palm the square piece into the wall. Then climb this vault wheel looking piece right here and align your character in the center. Once centered, use your Force Palm again. This final step will completely solve the puzzle. And that is how to complete the Abyss without balance in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.